What is up? What is up, my fellow YouTubers, procrastinators, and hodlers? My name is CryptoKid, and welcome to another episode of Hodl Round. In this week's Coin Collector series, we will be discussing Bitcoin Cash. Moontort, the other owner of this YouTube channel, and I went long on Bitcoin Cash about a week ago, and we actually meant to put up a video, but unfortunately we got pretty busy. Better late than never, right? Anyway, let's go ahead and get this shit started before Bitcoin Cash goes to the moon without you and me. What is Bitcoin Cash? So Bitcoin Cash is a peer-to-peer e-cash essentially. It's decentralized, so no central banks, no third parties, and it's basically just like Bitcoin. It's a fork off the Bitcoin blockchain with upgrades allowing for growth and scalability. So the Bitcoin code had a max limit of 1 megabyte of data per block, which is about 3 transactions per second. So that led to recent crazy transaction fees and slow transaction approval. Bitcoin Cash, however, raised this block size to 8 megabytes. So, recent events in the market, Bitcoin SegWit 2x had a hard fork coming in, and it was canceled, leading to an immediate surge in Bitcoin to 7,900 because people were afraid that after the Bitcoin fork there was going to be a huge sell-off. So immediately this triggered a FOMO into the market, and people said, well, there might not be a sell-off. Let's pump it from, like, I think it was 7,200 or so to 7,900. I was driving to Best Buy, and within minutes this thing was on my Coinbase just going crazy. Immediately after, it dropped to about 7K, and it rebounded into the mid to low 7K range, US dollars. So Bitcoin.com actually recently made a public statement pertaining to Bitcoin Cash, being that if SegWit 2x fails to activate, they're shifting all their company resources, all of them, can't stress it enough, all of their resources to supporting Bitcoin Cash exclusively. So over the past week or two, it's been breaking resistance. And within the past 2 days specifically, the Korean markets have been pumping the living hell out of it. As you can see on Bithumb or whoever, the volume is outrageous compared to exchanges such as Bittrex, Poloniex, and so on. Take a look at the graph, because I like drawing lines and shit. So as you can see, nothing special about the Bitcoin Cash graph. However, if we zoom in a little bit, what we can see is that the trend has a clear upward movement. I cannot see a better trend bouncing off of this. It looks like it hit rock bottom about 0.05, so about 5.1 million sats. As you can see, it broke trend and completely went full moon bull. That's amazing, guys. MACD indicates it's diverging a little bit, and it's going across the median, or that middle line right here. So definitely on an upward trend. If we zoom in a little bit, I mean, it's taking a little hit up here. What doesn't after pumping all day? RSI, the Relative Strength Index, indicates it's a little oversold. So guys, keep your eyes on this one. I mean, I'm going to be holding for the long term. Pretty soon, Coinbase is actually adding it to their exchange, and some people are sensing a dump. But it wouldn't make sense, because when people are finally able to get their Bitcoin Cash that they should have received from the hard fork, not a lot of people would have been storing hundreds of Bitcoin on Coinbase, more likely to be in a ledger. So I can't really see the price plummeting, more so I can see it rocketing, just like when ETH and Litecoin were added. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe for more technical analysis and market analysis, as well as far as fundamentals go. Check us out for amazing mining tutorials made simple by Moontort himself. Comment below what are your thoughts of BCH and your current holdings. And the closing quote of the day is, trade the ratio, not the fiat. Thanks, guys.